Oh, we gotta get the Subies for. Look at that one, man. Wow, that's wild. I gotta get those for a Tom. Hold on. These guys better be pulling straight. Look at this one.
Yes, sir. With a little bitty
Fuck.
and the animation.
That's a fucking.
I rate it.
Oh, these Lexos guys, you never see. What is this? The 300 here? No, it's a 400, right? 400.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Basically a nice soup.
Yeah. I actually considered looking into one of those too.
It's crazy stuff.
Can't find any like. There's like not any good ones for sale. Oh, this fucking vet. Shit.
Same. Oh, another van. Same color.
Oh, we got the fucking faggot right here.
Okay.
This isn't a cop, is it? It's not a cop, right?
I think so.
Who's inside of the fucking thing?
Huh?
Who's inside of it?
I can't see it. It's too dark.
Alright guys, you see it? We got the fucking faggot right here. He's eating donuts and protecting shit, apparently. No way, guy. That's not a fucking cop.
Poster.